Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a transparent overlay on Canva. Now the first thing you have to do is to be on your Canva application. So you want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now guys, it's time for you to select what you would like to create. I want to create an Instagram post. Now you can go ahead and select what you want. Maybe you want a banner, you want a YouTube thumbnail, whatever you want to do. It's time to select it. So I'm just going to tap on Instagram post. On getting to this blank space, I'm going to tap on my gallery because I want to import the image I'll be using as a background. So I'm just going to tap on the image and then add to page. I'm going to expand this to the page size. After doing this, for you to create your transparent overlay, you're going to be tapping on elements, and then I'm going to look for a shape that I would like. Now I'm going to go with the circular shape and try to expand the circle that I just added just a little bit more. So for me, this is okay. Now going down to where you see edit, it's at the bottom of your screen. You want to scroll till you find where you see transparent. Now you're going to tap on the transparent and then you want to reduce it. Now can you see how it gets lighter as you keep reducing? This makes the overlay you just added transparent, and this is exactly what you want. So guys, we are done with making the transparent overlay. You want to go ahead and add up your text or do any other editing or adding ups that you would like to do on this your project. And for me, this is the perfect Instagram post for my nail salon. This is exactly how you can create a transparent overlay using your Canva. If you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.